What if you could see through walls using only your home Wi-Fi? Because this week's top repo actually does it. Hi, I'm Jason and I'll be your host today on Github Trending Jason. We are looking at a massive slate of projects that honestly feel like they're from 5 years in the future. From AI agents that act like real coworkers to tools that teach you how to build the entire internet from scratch. This list is stacked. All right, let's jump right in. First up is Multica. This project aims to be your next 10 hires by turning coding agents into full-blown teammates. It's essentially an open-source managed agents platform that goes way beyond simple chat. Instead of copy-pasting prompts, you assign tasks to agents like they're on your Jira board. They track progress, report blockers, and even compound their skills over time. It's built with TypeScript and is crushing it. The project has already spiked to over 32,000 stars with almost 600 new stars today. The wild part? It's designed to let agents participate naturally in your existing developer conversations. I'm not gonna lie, the idea of an agent that actually learns from its mistakes is a game changer. It treats AI as infrastructure rather than just a smart text box for code snippets. If you're tired of babysitting your AI runs, give Multica a shot. It is likely the most professional way to manage a swarm of coding agents right now for your next big project. If you are running those agents, you'll need cmux. This is a Ghosty-based macOS terminal that's specifically optimized for AI coding agents. It features vertical tabs and built-in notifications for agent actions. Written in Swift, it's blazing fast and integrates with Claude Code, Gemini, and several other AI platforms. It's gaining about 500 stars a day because the terminal is becoming the new AI workspace. Why do you need a specialty terminal? Because agentic workflows are noisy. cmux cleans that up by organizing your agent sessions so you don't lose track of what's happening where. It handles vertical layout perfectly, which is great for extra-wide monitors. I've been sleeping on custom terminals lately, but this Ghosty fork is actually impressive and looks super clean on macOS. For anyone deep in the terminal world using cmux or Claude Code, this is a must-try. It bridges the gap between a standard shell and an AI ID in a really smart way. Next is an absolute legend in the community. Build your own app. This repo is a compilation of step-by-step guides for recreating your favorite technologies from scratch. We are talking Docker, Git, and even blockchains. This repo just crossed 500,000 stars. 500,000! It's one of the most starred projects on GitHub for a reason. It uses the Richard Feynman philosophy that if you can't create it, you don't understand it. The curated list covers everything from 3D renderers to search engines. If you've ever felt like a framework was a black box, this is the antidote. It's the best educational resource I've ever seen. Every time it trends, I find something new. Today it's trending because people are starting to rebuild AI models from scratch to really grasp how LLMs function under the hood. Stop watching tutorials and go build a BitTorrent client or a shell this weekend. It will make you a better developer than any bootcamp ever could. It is completely free and incredible. For the home automation nerds, Frigate is trending again. This is a local NVR that uses AI object detection for your IP cameras. It's built for Home Assistant and focuses on privacy and speed. It uses OpenCV and TensorFlow to detect people or cars in real time. It does all of this locally, so no video ever leaves your network. Your privacy stays totally intact. With over 32,000 total stars, it's the gold standard for high-performance camera monitoring. It's designed to minimize CPU usage by using motion detection to trigger the heavy AI processing. I love that it integrates with Google Coral accelerators. This allows it to outperform even high-end CPUs while drawing almost no power. It's a masterclass in efficient Python and TypeScript engineering. If you're still using cloud cameras that charge a monthly fee, you really need to switch to Frigate. It is the smartest way to secure your home without giving your data to big tech. Security is huge right now, and the Anthropic-Cybersecurity-Skills repo is leading the pack today. This is a library of over 700 structured skills to make your AI agent security experts. It maps everything to frameworks like MITRA-AT and CK and NIST. This means you can plug these skills into Claude Code or GitHub Copilot to help them find vulnerabilities or respond to incidents. The repo is getting nearly 1,000 stars a day. Why? Because everyone is realizing that basic LLMs are actually pretty bad at complex security tasks without specific skill mapping. It covers 26 domains, including malware analysis and ethical hacking. It's basically a massive prompt engineering library on steroids for professional security engineers and DevSecOps teams. Whether you are a red teamer or just want to harden your own apps, this repo is a goldmine. It's probably the most practical application of Anthropic's new MCP protocol I've seen yet. Then we have openhuman. This project is making waves as an open-source AI harness built for privacy. It's written in Rust and claims to be your personal AI superintelligence. It's had an explosive week with over 16,000 stars in just 7 days. I'm not gonna lie, the growth here is absolutely wild. People are flocking to it as reaching for a private alternative. It aims to be simple but powerful, giving you a harness to manage all your personal data without sending it to a central server. The design is sleek and focuses purely on the user experience. The project is still in early development, but the Rust backend ensures it stays fast and light. Who's behind it? A team called tinyhumansai, who are putting human-centric design first. If you want an AI that works for you instead of a corporation, watch this space. The community support for openhuman is currently through the roof, and the roadmap looks very promising. For the students and researchers, academic research skills for Claude Code is trending. It's a suite of skills that automates the grunt work of research like hunting references and checking logical consistency. It has gained 11,000 stars this week. The creator is very clear. This isn't for cheating. It handles the formatting and citation hunting so you can focus on the actual research and arguments. The installation is super fast through the plugin marketplace. It can walk you through a paper structure via Socratic dialogue, which is a genius way to avoid writer's block during the early stages. Why use it? Because manual citation management is a nightmare. This tool turns your AI into a truly helpful research assistant that understands the academic pipeline from draft to publication. It's one of the best examples of a specialized AI agent tool. If you're currently writing a thesis or a paper, this could easily save you dozens of hours of boring administrative work. Finally, the most high-tech repo of the day, RuView. This project turns ordinary Wi-Fi signals into spatial intelligence. It can detect movement and measure heart rates through walls without any cameras. It uses Rust and ESP32 microcontrollers to analyze Wi-Fi signal interference. The wild part? It provides real-time pose estimation and vital sign monitoring using nothing but radio frequency physics. It has 65,000 total stars and is gaining over 6,000 stars a week. It integrates perfectly with Home Assistant and Matter, making it a dream for privacy-focused smart homes. Imagine a home that knows you're in the room without needing to see you. It is honestly one of the coolest applications of IoT and physical AI I have ever seen. The code is surprisingly accessible despite the complex physics involved. If you have a few ESP32 boards lying around, you absolutely have to try this. It feels like magic. That's a wrap for today. A huge thank you to all the contributors who keep these amazing projects open source. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment. I'm Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.